Hey guys, it's Lyla from the Sparkle Girls channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make this very cool Star Wars Droid Commander set. We have R2D2, this like black cannon guy, and this teal cannon, this teal robot. Comment down below if you know what any of those guys are, because I have no idea who they are. And if you guys are big Star Wars fans, comment down below. We also have like lights, and they come with two different types of Legos. Up here, you can see it's just regular Legos. But down here, you can see connected Legos to make the legs and other parts of the body. So I thought that was pretty cool. There is this like Commander Lego. I'm guessing it's the green one right here on R2D2. All of them have a spot you can put it in, and I think you can get it out pretty easily. Well, yeah, and it comes with this download free app. It's just like a Star Wars app where you guys can control them and then press play. So I thought that was really cool. This is an ages 8+, so I thought that was pretty cool that I got it for my birthday. And if we turn it around, you guys can see like you can attach a saw to here. These are some of the parts you use on R2D2. So I think that's going to be a really fun set. So without further ado, let's get started. So today I was thinking of going to show you guys all of the parts. So let's open it up.
Hi guys, it's me, okay?
Lots of
just let them know if you want more videos. Thanks.
It looks like two things are connected. This looks like it has some control pieces in it or something. Fine. This is bag 7.
It's bags for you.
Charlotte. This is bag 6. We have bag 12. Okay, which is not expected. We have bag 4. I guess there's one of everything. 11. Okay, 3. And then we have bag 8. So it seems like these don't come in customized order. And they do. There were lots of bags. 8, 10. I'm just gonna put these like instructions. So 2. Then we have 2. There are lots of bags in here, everybody. 9 is in there. Do we have like one more bag in here?
There are more bags inside the Lego house.
So
don't put it inside here.
Some of the other stuff. And, oh, there's like this flat surface. This would seem like it's cool. Anyway, keeping going on. 1, and we are finished. So there are 12 bags in all. So I think that it's going to be super fun doing this with you all. So
I'm guessing these are like something that you put inside your iPad to make this video then come on your iPad to control the dots. BB-8 actually moves, the other guys don't
R2D2. R2D2 actually moves. Sorry, she meant that. The quick start guide is on here. I have no idea where the instructions are. It's probably this. But this seems like a very short book. Anyway,
now she's opening up the instructions. So now she got it out.
It's
so
just as
now you
quick
don't see.
guide start. 3, okay. So it's
guys,
not this one. It's just showing the instructions on the Legos and
BB-8
iPads and connecting the stuff.
Guys, BB-8 actually has
It's R2D2 for the millionth time.
R2D2 actually has a button on him to make them move, but like the other characters don't have buttons to control that guy.
So you can basically choose, like, if you want to get more, you could choose more that connect. So I think it's going to be really fun. I have no idea where the instructions are. Bye. I'll see you while I'm working. Ready? Okay. So I'm just going to show you guys how R2 works and how he can be controlled. So basically he's moving. You have to put him straight and you can change the numbers. So if I trash that, and I'm going to make him talk to you guys a bit. And one more talk. Okay, so now I'm just going to program him to go straight and... No, okay. Is everybody ready? Oh no. Whoa, he sucked this up. He sucked our coat because of the cord. His wheels are pretty easy. But if I just get out of this part of the app, I can show you guys the obstacle and how you don't have to program him. Saved. Oh, never mind. This is a mission complete. R2. Check. We're just going to program him by using this. So I just got on to the programming, although my droids are connected, so I just need this to get closer and the droid should be connected. Do I have to turn this on again? Oh no. Sorry guys. Oh, and he's not facing straight. So that is why I'm telling you guys, just be careful because at any time you couldn't have him straight. Okay, so here's the tip. R2 moves much faster with his legs back. So I'm just gonna So that was the video. I hope you guys enjoyed, and we will see you guys when we make the next ride. Bye!